Folks tell me you've done a lot of good for the Negro students here. You got them the right to eat equal in the cafeteria.
Yes, that's right, I did.
Wonder how many of you white people really mean it when you pretend to care about us Negroes.
Wait a minute.
What happens to men when they grow old? Why do they forget everything? I believe those two young people need each other like they need the air to breathe in. Anybody can see that by just looking at them. But you and my husband you might as well be blind men. You can only see that they have a problem.
Margot, you know I'm in love with you, don't you?
Yes.
You knew from the first, didn't you?
Yes.
I am black and comely, O ye daughters of Jerusalem.
My Bible says black but comely.
But I am black and comely. Isn't that what you want me to feel, Nathan?
Patty, come on. I need your help in the shed. Come on.
Pop, where you taking Mom?
Get back to work.
Cecil, look at me, boy. Don't you lose your temper with that man. This is world. We just living in it.
Boy, if you gonna let this little nappy-head gal sit here and cuss you out like that, you sitting at the head of your own dinner table and you acting like a waiter.
You're ugly, you're skinny, you shape funny, and you're too scared to open your mouth to people. All you fit to do is be Suge's maid.
Oh, no.
Take out a slop jar and maybe cook her food. And you ain't even that good of a cook anyway.
I got you, you mother.
What you want here?
I'll show you what I want.
Hey! Daddy! You crazy, you bitch!
I'm all the way from Chicago to got it.
And now that you got it, you get your black ass out of here.
Jax! Bring here, Daddy. Let the gentleman see how you're smudging your wife.
She ain't no wife of mine.
We's coming low. And I's coming home to Papa.
It's common nothing. Don't you papa me, girl. I'll papa you so you never forget it.
Dad. Dad. You're my father. I'm your son. I love you. I always have, and I always will. But you think of yourself as a colored man. I think of myself as a man.
She's only known me for 10 days, so she can't tell you when I'm blushing.